गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। ये वीडियो जो 9th क्लास के लिए है, जिसमें हम कल एक्सरसाइज 4.3 कर रहे थे और आज हम जो है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमने 5 क्वेश्चन कल कर लिए थे। आज 6th क्वेश्चन है। 6th क्वेश्चन में जो बता रखा है, इफ़ द वर्क डन बाय ए बॉडी ऑन एप्लीकेशन ऑफ ए कांस्टेंट फोर्स इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाय द बॉडी, एक्सप्रेस दिस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एन इक्वेशन in two variables and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as 5 units. Also read from the graph the work done in the distance traveled by the body is 2 unit and 0 unit. तो स्टूडेंट्स इसमें क्या गिवन है, इसके अंदर हमें फर्स्टली गिवन है फोर्स इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाय ए बॉडी। अब ये फोर्स है जो कि डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाय बॉडी है और वर्क डन जो होता है हमारा वो फोर्स इनटू डिस्टेंस होता है। ठीक है, तो हम इसमें क्या करेंगे, लेट W बी वर्क डन, S बी द डिस्टेंस और वर्क डन का फॉर्मूला मैंने लिख दिया है। ठीक है, अब इसके अंदर F जो है फोर्स 5 यूनिट है। यहाँ से इक्वेशन बनेगी हमारी 5 इंटू एस, 5 इंटू एस होगी। एस क्या है, डिस्टेंस है। तो उसने दो ऑप्शन गिवन है, एक तो डिस्टेंस जब 2 यूनिट है और एक डिस्टेंस जब 0 यूनिट है। तो वर्क डन क्या होगा, डिस्टेंस वर्क डन जब 2 यूनिट है डिस्टेंस तो वर्क डन होगा 10 यूनिट, और जब वर्क डन 0 है डिस्टेंस 0 है तो वर्क डन होगा 0 यूनिट। ठीक है, ये हमारा जो था क्वेश्चन था 6th। उसके बाद 7th क्वेश्चन आता है। 7th क्वेश्चन में क्या है, यामिनी एंड फातिमा, 2 स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 9th ऑफ ए स्कूल टुगेदर कंट्रीब्यूटेड 100 रुपीज टुवर्ड्स द प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स रिलीफ फंड टू हेल्प द अर्थक्वेक विक्टिम्स। राइट लीनियर इक्वेशंस which satisfy this data. So in this question, 2 friends, Yamini and Fatima, and both these friends contribute 100 rupees, 100 rupees towards the Prime Minister's Relief Fund. So we let's now contribute by Yamini X rupees and the contribute by Fatima Y rupees. Then according to question both these friends contributed together 100 rupees. Then the equations will be x plus y is equal to 100. इसमें x plus y क्या हो जाएगा, 100 रुपये हो जाएगा। हमने x मान लिया कि x कंट्रीब्यूट योगदान करता है 100 रुपये, यामिनी योगदान करती है x रुपये का, फातिमा योगदान करती है y रुपये का, और दोनों दोस्त जो मिलके 100 रुपये का योगदान करते हैं। उसके बाद इस एक्सरसाइज का लास्ट क्वेश्चन आता है 8th क्वेश्चन, जिसमें बता रखा है इन कंट्रीज लाइक USA एंड कनाडा टेम्परेचर इज मेजर्ड इन Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India it is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. That Fahrenheit F equal to be 9/5 into C plus 32. That is the formula to calculate Fahrenheit and the degree Celsius temperature. And the first part will be draw the graph of linear equations above using Celsius for x-axis and the Fahrenheit for y-axis. Then we write Celsius will be x-axis and the Fahrenheit will be y-axis. Now with these two notations put in these equations, and in the place of F we put y and 9/5 and put in the place of C x. Now equations will be y is equal to 9/5 into x plus 32, and the graph of linear equations we write as y is equal to 9 by 5 into x plus 32, and in this equations we put first x is equal to 0, and x is equal to 0, 9 by 5 into 0 is equal to 0, and the plus 32, and y is equal to 32. If we put x is equal to 5, then we in the place of x put 5, then 5 will be cancelled by 5, and the 9 into 1 plus 9, 9 plus 32, that will y is equal to 41. And to show the graph here, to represent the graph, these two values are enough, and we should write as x and y, 0 32 and the 5 41. So students, now we represent the graph from these tables, and the value are so high, so we difference between the graphic measurement we take big, so we 10 and the 20 and the 30 and 10 20 30, this will be 40 and the 50, minus 10 minus 20 and minus 30, minus 10 and minus 20 and minus 30. This side will be negative, and this side will x of negative and the x of positive and the y of the positives. Now if x 0, then y will be 32, and the x this is 0 and y this is 32. So this point represent this coordinations 0 and 32, and the x 5, then y will be 41, and this point represent this coordinates that will be 5 41, and both these points this and this. From these points we draw a line. This is the line of equation, this equations, and the name of this line is L, and these points A and B. I hope you have got these equations, and the question of this next part will be, temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, then what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? Temperature given is 30 degrees Celsius, and we find out temperature in Fahrenheit, means F. So we now put 30 in these equations, and the x will be Celsius, y Fahrenheit, 9 by 5 into 30 plus 32, 5 1 are 5 and 5 6 are 30, and 9 6 are 54 plus 32, this will be 86, and this is 86 degree Fahrenheit. Now the second part, in the next part, temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, and what is the temperature in Celsius? In the next part we give Fahrenheit, means value of y, and find out the value of x. So we 95 put in this equation in the place of y, and the 95 is equal to 9 by 5 into x plus 32. 32, take this side and the sign will be changed from plus to minus, and the 95 minus 32 is equal to 9 by 5 into x, and if we subtract 32 from 95, then result will be 3 and the 63. Now we take 9 by 5, take this side, this is 5 upon 9 is equal to x, and 9 1 is 9, 9 the 63, and 7 5 is 35 degrees Celsius. Value of x will be 35 degrees Celsius. Similarly, in the next part, this will be the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, and the value of this is x, and the x is 0 degrees Celsius, then what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? Now we calculate temperature in Fahrenheit. If given value of x, then y, find out the value of y, and y is equal to 9/5, and the value of x 0 degrees Celsius, and put 0 in the place of x and plus 32. That will be 0. If you multiply any number by 0, then its result will be 0, and the plus 32 is, this is the answer of in Fahrenheit. If temperature is degrees Celsius 0 degrees Celsius, then the temperature in Fahrenheit 32 degree Fahrenheit. And the reverse the order means Fahrenheit takes 0 degree Fahrenheit, and the value of x means if given temperature in Fahrenheit and find out the value of in degrees Celsius, then we put this value Fahrenheit, that x is of y 0 degree Fahrenheit, and in the place of y we put the 0 degree Fahrenheit and 9/5 into x plus 32. Now we 32 take this side, minus 32, and the 9/5 into x, 9/5 take this side, and the minus 32 into 5/9 minus 160 upon, this will be 9. This will be the temperature in degrees Celsius. If we, and given temperature in Fahrenheit 0 degree Fahrenheit, at 0 degree Fahrenheit in Celsius will be equal to minus 160 upon 9 degree Fahrenheit. Students, this questions the fourth part of the 8th questions. The next questions, is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? If yes, then find it. In this question he asked both temperature, measurement of temperature same in both Fahrenheit and degrees Celsius, and the temperature Fahrenheit and degrees Celsius will be equal. Fahrenheit and Celsius both are the same. This is the value of minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. Minus 40 degree Fahrenheit, if we put the value of f minus 40 degree Celsius minus 40 degree Fahrenheit, then the Celsius will be minus 40 degree Celsius, and the vice versa. This is your 4.3 exercise, and now we are completed. So स्टूडेंट्स, आज के लिए इतना ही. हमारी जो वीडियो वो काफ़ी लंबी हो गई है, तो बाकी हम जो है कल नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज डिस्कस करेंगे. तो आज के लिए इतना ही. ओके, थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.